When we think of healthy eating or even just salads, we always look to the West. But why? When we have all of this beautiful vegetation called ulam. And today we are making Nasi Ulam. It's packed full of fiber, lots of protein, good carbs, and also good fats. So what else is there to do? Let's get cooking! What is ulam? Ulam is actually vegetables that you can eat raw or slightly cooked. So it can be poached or grilled. It's a very, very important dish in Malaysian food, and you can actually just have it on its own with a little bit of sambal and some rice and fried fish. The important part here is to slice all of your vegetables and herbs as thinly as possible so you get that good combination of a salad. So every bite has a little bit of everything. Traditionally in Nasi Ulam, the rice is already cooked and it's very simple. But I'm adding another step to kind of make the rice a little bit more robust, a little bit more flavorful, and add more nutrition into it. So you can actually use coconut oil, vegetable oil, just a little bit. Add in all of your aromatics. Fry it for a couple minutes until the ingredients are all fragrant. So this is basmati rice, which I've washed about 3 to 4 times to drain out as much starch as possible. And I'm using basmati rice because it's actually a lot healthier for you. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to toast some grated coconut until it's nice and golden brown. It's very important for your fire or your heat to be medium to low. It's going to take some time. Trust me, it's going to be worth it because it's really nice and crunchy and creates a bit of texture. We're going to fry 2 types of ikan masin. The first one is ikan masin belanak masam, which is a really nice fragrant ikan masin that is really crunchy when you fry it. And the second one is ikan masin talang, which is really meaty and it has a beautiful flavor. And lastly, we're also going to add in ikan kembong. So there's 2 ways of doing it. You can fry it or you can also sort of poach it just to add in a little bit more protein to your nasi ulam. So we have to remove the outer skin here because there's a bit of scales, and then we've got bones on this side as well. For this particular dish, I'm using ikan kembong, but you can use ikan selar or any kind of mackerel. So if you use any type of mackerels, the flavor of the fish is actually a lot stronger. So ikan kembong is kind of mild, and ikan selar as well. From such a big fish, we don't get a lot of flesh. That's why it's just a nice add to all the ikan masin that we also have as part of our protein. So when you're mixing your nasi ulam, like I said, the herbs that you use, less is more, because the more herbs you use, then it's just going to be overpowering your dish. And look at all that vibrant colors. So we're going to mix everything together, and there's a lot of different textures here. I like to add a squeeze of lime, but that's totally optional. That's just my preference. Oh my god, so good. Instantly, I feel rejuvenated, happy. Why does it have to be boring when you're trying to eat healthy, when you can have something like this that's packed full of flavor and just so delicious? Let us know if you want to see any more traditional dishes. Just comment below. I'll be happy to oblige.